How to remove Mrs. button on Facebook. Here's a step-by-step guide. Initially open the Facebook app on your phone and log in if you haven't already. Next, tap on the hamburger icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down and click on Settings and Privacy. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, scroll down to the Audience and Visibility section. Here, choose how people can find and contact you. Once inside, scroll further down until you see how you get message request category. Here, open each option one by one. Then for each one, select Don't Receive Request and hit Save. Repeat this step for every available option under the Message Request section. That's all. This is how to remove Mrs. button on Facebook.